Hello friends, so I've been navigating the crypto ecosystem for about 9 years now, constantly evaluating different platforms, and honestly, internet is packed with scam promotions. Like genuinely, around 75% of advertised services are straight garbage. Reality is, legitimate platforms are incredibly rare now, but one app I use stands as one of the few trustworthy options. Been using them roughly 18 months now, year and a half easily. So Flash USDT operates like this. You're generating tokens that mirror legitimate Tether perfectly in a wallet. Identical visual, same ticker symbol, displays exactly the same, but you can define the parameters, how many transfers allowed, duration before expiration, daily transaction limits. So it's ideal for experimenting with DeFi strategies, testing apps, observing real token movement completely without risking actual crypto.
Okay, so I'm on the main dashboard here. First move is choosing a token amount. 4 package options visible. Each displays cost and recommended applications. I'm grabbing this package for this demo. Nice. Now configuring visibility duration. It shows anywhere from 1 hour to 7 days. And for this demo, setting it to 7 hours. Good, so next I input target address and choose network for USDT generation. Okay, selecting TRC20 network. Next, jumping to my wallet, copying my address, back here, pasting it in. Yeah, great, everything aligns properly. So final step is clicking Buy Flash. Good, so payment options are direct transfer to their address or wallet connection. Wallet connection works better for me, so choosing Trust, waiting for processing. And perfect. 1 million USDT generated and dispatched, just waiting for balance update. And while confirmation happens, let me break down what actually separates this app from the absolute flood of garbage you see everywhere online.
Look, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I didn't start with this app. I actually got burned multiple times before finding something legitimate, and that experience taught me exactly what to avoid and what to look for. Maybe 3 years ago, I tried one service called Flash Crypto Gen or something like that, heavily advertised on YouTube with influencers promoting it everywhere. Paid like $200 for their premium package, promising unlimited token generation. And what I got? Absolutely nothing. Tokens showed up in their dashboard interface looking perfect, but when I tried verifying through Blockchain Explorer, nothing existed. Zero transaction history, no smart contract interaction, just fake numbers in their private system. Total scam, $200 gone. Second attempt was maybe a year and a half later, seemed more professional, had clean website, detailed documentation. This time I paid $350 for their enterprise tier because I learned my lesson about cheap services, supposedly. Okay, so tokens generated showed up in wallet initially looking real. I could even transfer them once, but second transfer failed completely. Tokens vanished entirely from wallet like they never existed.
So by the time I found Get Flash USDT, I was extremely skeptical and careful. First thing I tested, blockchain verification. Generated small amount, immediately checked transaction hash on Tron Scan Explorer. Real smart contract deployment verified by network nodes, completely legitimate blockchain activity, not fake dashboard numbers. That cautious approach revealed this app does everything those scam services failed at. Transparent blockchain operations you can verify independently. Honest feature descriptions without hidden limitations. Consistent performance over extended time periods. They're not perfect, obviously. Sometimes network congestion affects network generation speed. Occasionally support takes a day responding, but those are normal operational issues, not scam indicators. The fundamental difference is legitimacy. What they promise is what you receive. Verifiable through independent sources. So, links in the pinned comment and description. Let me know how it works for you. See you later.